Hi, my name is Jamie Ernawati Tambunan, and I would like to talk about one of my favorite author. Her name is J.K. Rowling. It stands for Joanne Rowling. She is a British author, and she already wrote a lot of books with different stories. One of her best-selling book ever was Harry Potter. Harry Potter had 7 sequel books with different stories during 2007 until 2014. First time I read this book when I was at junior high school, and then I felt in love with the stories, the plot, and the character, so I decided to follow all the sequel of this book. 3 reasons why I love this author are: the first one, the way she writes the story help us to create our own imagination. We felt like we become one of the characters of this book, so we can enjoy the plot, the story, and the situation that he wrote. The second one is the plot that she built. She able to make an unpredictable plot, so we have like a curiosity to know what is the finish of the story. And the third one, I love the character that she built. She able to build the strong character in her book, like Hermione Granger. Hermione Granger is one of Harry Potter's best friend. Harry Potter is the first character or the main character of this book. Hermione Granger is a girl with beauty and brain. And then she is a strong willingness girl. So this character give me inspirational to become high value woman. That's why I love this character very much. I think that's all I can explain about J.K. Rowling, the author that I love very much. Thank you. Good night.